All right, students, welcome. This is your 10th grade geometry class. My name's Mr. Smithley, and we're going to use this video as an instructional guide to our Google Classroom site. So this will be the main page that you come to. You can see my name here, and also listed below my name is our classroom code, as well as our Google Meet site. So to get access, you should have received an email that has that class code that allow you into this website. So the stream link here is going to be our main page, and any new announcements and old announcements will be posted here for your review. Probably the most important page would be the classwork page, and that's where all our assignments are listed. If you look here on the left, you'll see all the topics. So we'll go through the welcome announcement. After I'm done posting this video, the video tour will be posted here, and then you'll have a link to the unit schedule, the 4 lessons of this unit, and then our formal assessment that we'll go through. So here in the middle of the page, if you just click on the tab, for this one it'll be the welcome announcement, and it'll show you my announcement to you. And then going down, unit schedule, there'll be a link to our unit schedule. You just click on this link here and it'll post it in a separate tab. And then you can go through, you can see what we're going to be covering in this unit. And then for each individual lesson, you'll see there'll be a warm-up activity, the instructional slides for that lesson, as well as when we break into breakout groups, there'll be activities for you to do within your group. There'll be a closure activity, and then there'll be a homework. And if you'll notice here on the right hand side of each one of these little tabs, there'll be the due date. So once you open that up, there'll also be a due date inside there. So moving on, all these are attached to our Google Calendar also. So you can go in here, go to next week, and then you'll see what all activities will be listed in that day. And then moving on, your final formal assessment will be due on the 12th. If for some reason you can't get the link to work in the lesson tab, then you can go to the class drive folder. Within there, you'll see the formative assessment is listed here. You'll have the imagery you need for that, and then the slide deck that'll tell you what you need to do. And then for instance, in lesson 2, you'll see the instructional slides for that day, the exit ticket, your group collaborative work, and also your homework assignments will all be listed in there. So once you go in here and complete the assignment, let's see, for instance, lesson 1, you're going to have to read this article, and then you're going to have to read this article, and then there'll be a discussion group question. So you're going to answer that question in the discussion group. Also, the last thing, when we meet in class, you can just hit the meet button up here at the top, and that will start the Google Meet session so we can all meet online. So hopefully you got a good brief understanding of how to use this, and if there's any questions that you have, you can post those questions to the front page, or you could email me directly. All right, I look forward to seeing you all in class. Have a good day.